Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you got well, and here is 750 label in CDR files. That's mean these are for Coral Draw. These are protected. Password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK. Buy now for lifetime. All password in this app, and iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Okay. So you see here the food related label: pizza, fast food, premium quality, ice cream, cake, fast food again, and here is fried chicken, Mexican food. Write anything, replace, change anything, replace your own PNG file or element, change font color, depend your own choice. Okay, so here is a bread. Unlock, and you see we can change everything. Here is a text, same thing here. Here is a bread PNG. Okay, and here is a select this one, color green. You see you can change anything. Undo, no, and here is a label. You see depend your own choice. No, here is a discount, 50% off, best, luxury, trusted quality. Here is the best offer. Here is I think this one you can use on certificate. Same here, same here. And here is a best choice, 100%, 100%. You can write your own percentage on this label. Best product, best choice, best seller, genuine quality, big sale, perfect choice. Okay, here is top. Here is 30 days guarantee money back. Okay, and here is discount. Here is a discount 100%. Here is a beer label quality. That's mean all labels are here. You can use anywhere, like a food banner, or you can use in a poster, or use in certificate, but these are protected. I say again, password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK, and buy now for lifetime. Take care, Allah Hafiz.